Welcome to Mr. Cottle's online tutorials. Today we're going to do a little bit of column subtraction with no regrouping. If you'd like to come and have a little look. Okay, it's really important that you set out your question really clearly. Here we've got 375 subtract 162 with our equal sign. When we lay this question out as column subtraction, we need to make sure that we put our numbers in the correct column. So 375, we have 3 in the hundreds column, we've got 7 in the tens column, and 5 in the ones column. We always start with the bigger number on top. Next, we look at our smaller number here, which is 162. Again, making sure we put our numbers in the correct column. 1 in the hundreds column, 6 in the tens column, and 2 in the ones column. Now, to make sure that we're reminded that this is subtraction, always good idea to put the subtraction sign there, and underneath we'll put our equal sign. To make it a little bit easier, I'd suggest labelling our columns. So here are my ones, here are my tens, and here are my hundreds. To start this, we'll subtract the ones first. So we've got 5 ones, subtract 2 ones, and we're left with 3 ones. Next, we move on to the tens column. We've got 7 tens, subtract 6 tens, and that should leave me with 1 10. And the next thing we do is we move on to the hundreds column. I've got 3 hundreds, subtract 100, and I should be left with, I think, 200. So, 375 subtract 162 equals 213. And I put my answer next to my equal sign. Top tips from me: larger number on top, smaller number underneath. Don't forget your subtraction sign, and have a good go at working your questions out.